Hey everyone, I'm Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another styling video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on styling a white t-shirt. Now, a white t-shirt is a staple in every wardrobe, and if styled properly, it can take an outfit from about here to right there. So I'll just be sharing some of the tips and tricks that I use, and I really hope you guys find it useful and informative, and let's just get into it.
So we'll just start with all the simple tucks that you can do with your t-shirt, and we'll take it from there. So the first tuck is the side tuck. Now for this, just tuck the t-shirt from either of the sides or from the middle into your jeans. Now as you can see, this t-shirt doesn't really have the best fit. It is a little baggy, but just doing the simple step makes it look a little more fitted, and overall this just gives a little more structure and a little length to the outfit. To complete the look, I paired this with some ripped jeans and threw on some sneakers. I also added a choker and this really cute watermelon necklace to add a little pop of color. Now this is a really simple outfit, and you could take this to your college or a day out or shopping or wherever you hang out, girl. So let's move on to the knot. For this, just grab your white t-shirt and a rubber band and tie the t-shirt into a knot. Just look at the video, guys, for how I've done it. I don't really know how to explain this any better. This makes the t-shirt look a lot more fitted, and also it doubles up as a crop top. So you guys, I know a bunch of you must already know this technique, but I couldn't forego this because I really wanted to highlight how this is something that you can easily take to a night out. Here I've paired it with a pair of high-waisted black jeans and some silver grey heels. So I've added a golden neck piece and I'm kinda ready to go out. Let me know what you think. The belted look. Now this one is pretty self-explanatory. Just tuck your t-shirt in and belt it up. So I'm working with the same pieces as outfit number 1, but I just wanted to add a red flannel shirt at the waist to add a little more pop to the outfit. This also works great with shorts because it kind of creates a high-low effect between the flannel shirt and the shorts. White serves as a great canvas for mixing up prints, so here I'm adding the camouflage jacket into the mix. Now I really love this look, but if this isn't your scene, then you can really get rid of the flannel shirt and wear the camouflage jacket as is. Another really great way of wearing a white t-shirt is under a slip dress. Here I've paired the white t-shirt with this blue slip dress and some white sneakers. So wearing a t-shirt under the slip dress kind of makes a slip dress a little more casual and a more everyday outfit. Similarly, you could wear it under any backless or low cut or strappy dress or top, or just anything that you reserve for the night time if you want to create a more comfortable and wearable daytime look with it. You just end up getting more uses out of that outfit that you only wear once or twice a year. My next tip would be to wear it with a statement piece. Now white works great with statement pieces because it lets the statement piece be the hero of the outfit. So this is easily my favorite outfit of the entire video, and I love this tulle skirt, which by the way I made myself. Another example is this printed skirt, which is definitely the centerpiece in this outfit. My last tip to you would be to monochrome it. Now you could do this with a skinny pair of jeans or pants, but I wanted to add one ethnic outfit to the mix. So I've paired it with these palazzo pants and created an all-white look. Monochromatic looks make you look more pulled together and effortlessly stylish.
So those are some of my tips and tricks on styling a white t-shirt, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button, and do share this video with all your friends, family, friends of friends, whoever you know, and I'll see you next time.